Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered as a fruit. They are small citrus fruits that are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. They are cultivated most in countries like Spain, Morocco, and the United States, particularly in California. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as clementines, clementines, tines, clementines. An interesting fact about clementines is that they are often referred to as Christmas oranges because they are typically in season and most abundant during the winter months. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about clementines, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.